it's Logan with Vivid Glam, and today I'm showing you guys the rainy day collection. This is a 5-color dip collection. It has some holographic, iridescent, and matte in the glitters, and I am excited to do this manicure with you guys today. So I am using Cozy Corner and Relaxed. I'm going to be starting on my middle finger using the solid, and I am using the Apex method. I've really been enjoying the Apex method on my shorter nails. I feel like the bulk of the product is in the center of the nail. It makes them stronger, and around my cuticle area it's not quite so thick after buffing and filing. Going in with the pour over method, it picks up more of the small pieces, making it not quite so chunky, which I like when I'm doing 2 full dips and not, sometimes I'll do 1 full dip and then just more of the chunky glitter placement over the top. I really wanted that holographic payoff, so I'm doing it this way, and then here you'll see I add a few of the chunky pieces because it didn't pick those up on the second coat. Just taking my precision tool. When you do this, you want to make sure you add some of the glue onto your nail first, and then dip your precision tool, dab it into the glue to pick up the glitter pieces, and then just place them on the nail. Now doing the same on my pointer finger here. Just going in with the pour over method. Make sure you pat the glitters down smooth. I'm also brushing off the excess powder with a duster brush and a stiff nail brush in between, just to get off any of the excess glitters or clear powder. On this coat, it did pick up the chunky glitter pieces too, so all I had to do was pat that down. This glitter applied super smooth. It's really important to me because I know how difficult it can be working with chunky glitters from past experience. So I always want to formulate my glitters to be very user friendly. Both these nails picked up the glitter chunky pieces on the second dip. So here I'm just taking some of those pieces and kind of moving them around where I feel like they are in a better placement. Cleaning up around the cuticles with the precision tool and patting everything down smooth. So after that has dried, I went in with a stiff nail brush and dusted away any excess glitter. And now I'm going in with my clear encapsulation. Anytime I'm doing a clear encapsulation with chunky glitter, I do use a little bit of a thicker glue application. I've explained this in other videos, but if you're new here, that just really gets the liquid down into any little grooves and fills them in, so to say, so that when you dip into the clear, you have a nice, smooth, even layer over the top of your glitter. I applied my activator, let that dry, and then I'm going to go in and file and buff. do like to go in with my file to kind of lightly buff the nail when using chunky glitters. This is why you want to be sure that your clear application is on the thicker side, because sometimes if you go in with the file and you haven't put that thick coat of clear over the top, you will still grab like the edges of the glitters. So just really watch closely when you're filing. Make sure you're paying attention to if you see any color change on your glitters, and then you'll know that you need to be a little more careful. I go in with rubbing alcohol on my stiff nail brush to get any of the debris cleaned up, and then I will go back in and activate again. Let that dry about 30 seconds, and then use a lint-free wipe to get any excess activate off of the nail. And then you will go in with your gloss. I'm applying one quick 3-stroke of the gloss, and you can see I am wiping on the lint-free cloth in between each of those applications just to make sure my brush does not get contaminated or hardened. And then I'm going back in directly with my second coat, being a little more detailed to this application, just making sure everything looks nice and smooth and even. And then I will finish off with some cuticle oil. This is my Scales of a Mermaid. And this is the finished result. Look at all that hollow goodness. Here are some of the other colors from the collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're excited about the collection, and I will see you next time.